Now for the double spring links of the older 7077 type bracelet, you want to use the widest flathead screwdriver you can to fit in there, which is the proper size. Get it in there, and then you're going to pop open that little door. And once that's open, you can remove a link like so. Okay. And then to put the link back, again, just give this little stretch. And you actually want to stretch both sides if you can. So like this. And then sometimes that door doesn't open very wide, but and then once you're in, now to close this, you're going to use that same screwdriver, but you're going to go in the opposite direction. You're going to fold this over by going in the opposite direction. So let's turn this around like this. And we're going to go like so. Okay. There we go. And now we've closed that door. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this is going to be a much more challenging process, especially the closure, on those links that are damaged, like this one from some prior attempts. So those might be the links you may want to consider removing if you're removing a link for sizing purposes. Those are going to be much more of a hassle to get back on there. So that's a no-no whenever possible. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. For a detailed introduction to the Omega flat link bracelets that can be fit to an 18mm lug width Omega model, check this video right here.